how to change the cutting blades on your Husqvarna. Okay, so I've already got the cutting deck off here because one of the idlers broke. That's the idler there. So it broke, so you unscrew it, you screw the new one back on, and that's it done. Okay, so you've taken the cutting deck off, you lifted it up, these are the blades underneath. There's 1, 2, 3, these are the new blades. 1, 2, 3. Right, so you just want to get your spanner, or whatever you have, and you just want to take off the old ones. I don't even know if that's pointing in the right direction, but it kind of is. Right, so you hold it, and obviously lefty. Turn it to the left. Lefty. Lefty loosey, yeah. Righty tighty. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Right, so it's one. Remember, right, they go that way. Flat. Flat side. So when you put the new one on, you do exactly the same. So it's probably a good idea to take one off and put one on exactly the same as you took one off. Right, hopefully these are the right ones at the bottom. I'm sure they are, they look right. Ooh, cancel video. Everything's all wrong. It's probably easy to do it, right? If the cutting deck's on its back. But I'm not going to put it on its back because so much on there, right? I can do it like this, I'll do it like this. So that's a 5/8. Hold it, turn it to the righty, righty tighty. Lefty loosey. Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
What's that, sorry?
I'm talking to the people on YouTube.
Oh, good.
On you. There we go. Comfortable on his coffin. A place they honor well. The hard spot was the one. Okay. Oh, anyway, take these three off. Dun, dun, dun. We're going to kind of do this backwards, aren't we? Because I already had the cutting deck off, I'll when I show you how to put it back on, it's obviously just in reverse, taking it off. So these are the old ones. They're pretty blunt. Okay. So we've got the cutting deck. So this is the cutting deck. Right, this is the new idler. This here is a diagram of how you put the belt on. So I've already got the belt on properly. I need to put this on actually. There's a plate that goes over here. You've got a washer on one side, a spring washer on the other. Spring washer on one side, and normal washer on the other. Need to have two hands to do this, so I might have to put the phone down. Okay, so we're just going to go slide it on. 1 second though. I'll put it back here in my place to stand. put this on. Right, so washer on one side, spring washer on the other. That's that one. Washer on one side, spring washer on the other. That's that one. Righty tighty. Oh, find the right screwdriver. No. That's 14. Yes. Size 13. Okay. I'll put this back on. Right, done. Done like a dinner. Right, that's that back on. Okay. Important. These two arms are folded in. The belt is around all the spindles properly. Looks pretty good. Right. All the belts right on. These two arms here are inwards. Belt looks good. Slide the thing in. This is heavy, like, because it's a cast iron thing. Right, that'll do. Right. So first of all, anyway, the first thing I do is put this on. Don't ask me all the technical details of what they all called. This arm here at the front, I put that on. So you just shiggle it, eh? See, shiggle it a little bit more. That's good on that side. Let's see if we can get that in. Okay. That's nearly in. Maybe shiggle it on the other side. Shiggle it on the other side. This is actually the hardest part. And that's in. Excellent. Excellent. Right, so now I'm going to put the belt on the drive spindle, whatever you call it. So obviously to get off, right, you'll be doing this backwards. Okay. That's on. Okay, that's on. Cool. Right, so then we get these arms. Remember I told you to put them on the inside? Because they're going here. Okay, so 1 second. Back a wee bit. It's all a wee bit jiggle. Back, forth, back, forth. I mean, nearly. Alright, so sometimes I need to jiggle up a wee bit. So I need to get the big screwdriver. Where's my big screwdriver for leverage? Okay, it's not there. I think it's in the oh no, there it is. Oh, there. Right, so I'm just going to use the big screwdriver. I need to lift it up a little bit. Just a little bit. Lift up a little bit. Back a bit. Up a bit. I think that's it. Okay. This way a bit. That way a bit. There you go now. Did you hear that? That's in. That's in. Right, get my pieces. Okay. No time at all. Right, so we've got these. Dun dun dun. Got one of those. And a washer. The washer goes on here. on that bit. You see it? It's very dark all of a sudden, isn't it? And then obviously you use this split thing through here. Right. That's that in. In. Can't even see, can you? Kind of see it. Alright, and then I've got to do this. This one here. This one. This one goes here. On that one. At the back. You can see that. This one goes in this one. Right, so I need to actually. Ooh, not too great camera work as ever. I should get a camera, man. I should get a camera. Right, anyway, right. So imagine, lift up a wee bit, put it in. It's in. In. Right, get that, put it on. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, in you get. Right, there's a wee hole in it, right? You fit it through, feed it through, and it's like that. Alright, so that's that one. That's the arm, down at the back there. That's that one. You can see it, down to there. Maybe we'll see it better from the other end. Right, moving over. I'll do the same at the other side. This trusty screwdriver. Okay.